back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall decorate and clean with me, and I'm super excited to finally make this video because I've been trying to do this for a little while now, and you know how life gets, things are always popping up. Last weekend it was my son's birthday, and then with working all week, I'm finally getting a chance to do it today, and I'm very excited because I love fall, I love decorating. So what I've done here is I took all my decorations and I spread them out on the dining room table. This allows me to just see what I have and see what I'm working with. I also have my fall Dollar Tree DIYs that I made in a prior video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. And I'm going to be incorporating that as well into my decorating today. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you basically everything that I have, and then I will start decorating and then get to cleaning. Also, I wanted to say, if you guys are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I make cleaning, cooking, lifestyle, a little bit of everything in between type of videos, and I would love to have you join my YouTube family. So please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you have not done so already, and without further ado, let's jump right on into the video. Okay, so here is all my decorations that I've had. These cute pumpkin string lights I picked up last year from the Target dollar spot. They're super cute. I'm gonna figure out where I want to put them. Then I have this leaf garland that is from last year from the Dollar Tree. I have these cute little pumpkin candle holders. I can't even tell you where they're from because they're so old. I have this string light from the Target dollar spot. This cute little give thanks pillow. This fall, autumn, harvest sign. This arrangement I made last year. It's super simple, from a mason jar that I just spray painted, put a ribbon around it, and stuck some flowers in it. My cute little scarecrow. This is one of the things that I made in my fall Dollar Tree DIY video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. Everything came super cute. Then I have this rope that I'm trying to still figure out what to do with. This burlap ribbon with like lace running through it. This cute little turkey. And then I have these signs that I've had for a few years already. And then we'll just move on to this gold pumpkin. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with pumpkins. I picked up these little guys from Michaels, and this is another one of the Dollar Tree DIY things that I made in my prior video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with my entryway table. But first I want to go ahead and give it a good cleaning because it does get super dusty, and then I can go ahead and start to decorate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang up this pumpkin banner. This is the hallway to the front entrance of my house. So every holiday I put something up there. And then I just went and wrapped some leaf garland around it. And here is the entryway table. I did change it around a few times, but I found that I liked this way the best. And this is the tier tray that I made in the fall Dollar Tree DIY video. Just decorated with some cute signs and pumpkins. And then down there is the other fall DIY Dollar Tree video that I made. And then in the kitchen area, I just had this tier tray from last year, and I went ahead and stuck some signs, some cute pumpkins, my flower arrangement, and some little things down there, and I think it looks really cute. So here is the wreath that I also made in my fall Dollar Tree DIY video. I love the way it turned out with the lights and the bow, and I put it on the hallway closet. Moving on to this little side table, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it off, and then I will go ahead and decorate it. So I did go ahead and change things around a few different times with this table, but I did hang those pumpkin string lights along the bottom of the table, which looks really cute. And then I found from Target Dollar Spot this half of basket, kind of like a tray, and I ended up putting the big pumpkin in there with the two little ones and some candles, and I think it looks really cute. So moving on to cleaning, I'm starting in my room. This day it was not too bad. It was just making the bed and doing a little bit straightening up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and play some music. The rest is self-explanatory. So here I am just vacuuming my bedroom, and lately I don't know what it is, but my allergies have been acting up, and I've noticed that we've had extra dust in the house more than we usually do. I don't know what it is. I mean, we haven't had the windows open, so I don't know. I change the AC filter all the time. So we run this vacuum as well as the Roomba like every day because I set it to my phone. And we even check the dirt compartment when we're done with the Roomba, and it's like almost full. And I'm like, but how could it be? Like, we don't walk with shoes in the house. I'm always vacuuming. I don't know, this house is just like extra dusty. Does anyone else have that problem? Let me know in the comments below, because this way I'll know that it's not only me. So I'm starting in my room, and then I will move on into the living room. So here we are in the living room, and I'm actually making Johnny help me because after all, this is his mess. So I try and, teach him that he has to clean up after himself, just pick up the Nerf guns that are all over the floor, just tidy up a little bit. So he's helping me, and then we will go ahead and vacuum that rug after everything is moved out of the way. So here he is trying to help me. He ends up spraying way too much, but it's okay as long as he's helping. And this is why I like using the Thieves spray, because it's non-toxic and it's not anything that can hurt him. So he's gonna finish doing that while I finish vacuuming the rugs. So here I'm just using some Barkeeper's Friend in my sink. I've said this before, I love the way it cleans the sink. I also use it in the tub. It works really well and it's not so harsh like Comet. So as far as a cleanser is concerned, this one is one of my favorites. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Jaws glass cleaner to clean the faucet and all around to make it nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end off steam mopping the floors. It's a little later in the evening and I vacuumed earlier, so this will be the last thing to do. And I just want to go ahead and give you a hack. If you have any essential oils, you can use, here I just use some lavender oil, but what you want to do is put 2 to 3 drops on the mop pad itself and your whole house will smell so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the kitchen area, the dining room, the hallway, and then I will be done for the night. But this has to be one of my favorite things to do as far as cleaning. I don't know, there's just something so satisfying about it. I usually do it every few nights and then in between I'll use either the spray mop or I have the spin mop. So I'll just alternate between them. But I do love using the steam mop. It just, you know, it sanitizes the floors, especially now it's important. So I am loving doing this. Like I said, it's my favorite thing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing to clean is or to use. And I just wanted to say thank you again for watching. I hope that you were able to get some decorating inspiration or some cleaning motivation. I hope that you give this video a like and please subscribe if you have not done so already. And I will see you again real soon in another video. Bye!